Hello everyone, this is MHT Aviation. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 GeminiMACS airplanes. These are my very first military airplanes that I actually own in my entire collection. So it's really cool. I've actually fueled all 3 of these. They're very easy, very simple fuelings. But I've seen a P8 in real life. I've seen this. Obviously they come in quite frequently in our airport. And this, as well as this, the C-17. We on occasion get McCord, but not very often. KC-135s we usually get in from around the United States, very rarely from where this one is stationed at. P8s we get them very rarely, but we do get them on occasion. Alright, so first we're going to unbox the KC-135. As you know, these airplanes are starting to get around 60 years old. They are supposed to be replaced by the KC-46s, but unfortunately, as you can tell, the 46s are having a hard time with design flaws and stuff like that. Hopefully this is really easy to open. Wow, surprisingly. Here's the airplane. Very slowly lift this up. You can see the airplane up close. Very cool. Very neat little 1/400 scale model. Ooh. Camera wants to go all over the place today. So here's the cockpit. The door to actually get in is actually right here. This is where the door is. This is the cargo door. Obviously the overwing exits. And if you turn it this way, see the front, the 4 engines, the rear, once you get to the rear. It's a very nice model. Tail with the little thingy sticking out. It's actually really cool model. Has the boom in the back right here. So you should lift it up to the bottom. The boom in the rear. So the reticle for single point is actually underneath the right wing, but it's actually right where the wheels are when they come into the airplane. So right like in this wheel well is usually where the single point is, and then some of them they're on both sides, which is rather an interesting place to put them. But that's the military for you. They put them, I guess, wherever they want to. That's the 135. If I can stop doing that. Obviously these models are really fragile, and my hands are wanting to destroy them for some reason. Next one we're going to unbox is the P8 Poseidon. So the P8 Poseidon is really cool. I actually seeing them in real life is really cool. Like, they have so much stuff on them. Obviously this is not the Navy version, this is the Royal Air Force. Unfortunately they didn't have the Navy one in stock for me to get one. This one's a bit more fragile because it has actually a lot more stuff and more detail. So here's the P8. See, this is where the refueling port is in the front, the cockpit window, the door. This is the observation window. These are the antennae and everything. The overwing exit right there. The other stuff in the back, the other door, horizontal stabilizer. Look forward. This is the front view. This is the side view. Single point is like any other 737, is right here. Now this is the only like 737 to actually have raked wingtips, so it's really cool to see them with the raked wingtips. It's really awesome. I wish Boeing actually implemented these on all their 737s because it looks really awesome with this, with the raked wingtips. And if we pick this up slowly, see the underwing. The torpedo bay is right here, where they drop the torpedoes, and obviously next, like right here is where they would store the missiles. It's really cool airplane. I'll place that right here. You get to see my lovely arm. And now onto the C-17. The C-17 is it's a really big close up. Obviously, like, I've seen them, I've fielded them. All I have to say is it's monstrous when they're big. They're really up close to one. Obviously not as big as the C5s, but the C-17s are big in their own ways. And they are really. I'm trying to get this P8 box out of the way. They're really interesting airplanes. This one's more heavier. I'm surprised this is actually a lot heavier. This is gonna kind of slowly lift this up. Alright, and here's the C-17. So obviously there's the refueling reticle right up here for emitter refueling. The door is actually right here. This is where they come out of the airplane and do all their stuff. The 4 engines. The big massive wings. Here's the 2 doors on the side. This is the McCord. I'm actually not sure if I feel this one. This looks fairly similar to 111. Looks like a very familiar plane that I might have fueled. This is the right side of the airplane. If you're curious, the lav port is actually right underneath the nose. It's like right around here. This is where the lav port is. Fueling the airplane is actually right back here. You can sort of see the little red dots. That's the refueling ports. So you can take 2 trucks at once, and you'll be able to refuel it in one go, or depending on how much they're taking, then you might need multiple trucks. But I will be making a video on how to stage the militaries with 1/400 scale GSE. So that way you can have a way in how to stage your military airplanes. So the underbelly, underside. So it does look like this thing can open, but I'm not going to really open that because I don't have a second hand until I put down this tripod. So it looks like this bottom portion can open. Not sure how, but I think this is supposed to go in, this is supposed to go out, but I'm not going to open that. Well, this has been the 3 military airplanes. Again, you get to see my lovely arms. P8, 135, C-17. I've seen them all. I've fueled mostly these airplanes, and this one I've only fueled once, and the second one that came in did not want fuel, sadly, but I got the chance to see them. But anyways, I might post some pictures. If I do, you'll see them at the very end, and if I don't, then well, that's it. Well, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this. See ya.